Now, the delay in Nirbhaya gang rape case, it appears, is never-ending. On Thursday, the Supreme Court heard Centre's plea seeking separate execution of the Nirbhaya case convicts. The court has also asked convicts to file in counter-replies by Friday and postponed pronouncing the order to 2 p.m. on Friday. Here's what transpired in the court.
Centre continues to push for separate hanging of Nirbhaya rapists. Court holds order demands counter-replies of convicts. On Thursday, the Supreme Court heard Centre's plea seeking separate hanging of Nirbhaya case convicts. The Apex Court also heard plea filed by convicts Mukesh and Vinay. The convict, through his lawyer AP Singh, had requested the death penalty to be commuted to life imprisonment. On February 1st, President Kovind had rejected Vinay's mercy petition. The top court deferred the hearing and instead asked the convicts to file counter-replies by February 15th. Convicts to file counter-replies by Friday on Centre and Delhi government's plea seeking separate execution. Three-judge bench of justices R. Bhanumati, Ashok Bhushan and A.S. Bopanna heard convict Vinay's challenge over the rejection of his mercy petition by the President. Advocate AP Singh argued for convicts Mukesh and Vinay. The decision on mercy petition was biased due to the Delhi Assembly elections. The rejection was hurried and malified in law. It violates the spirit of the Constitution. There is no categorical conviction, and bifurcation of convicts was not done in this case due to pressure. If immunity is not claimed, it cannot be claimed that counsel cannot examine the documents. There will be others. Solicitor General presented Centre's arguments before the court. Which other mercy will you file? Only Pawan's is left, and you left Pawan yesterday. Everything was considered. This person filed first mercy petition and then withdrew it. Records of the case, medical record, details of court cases, past criminal history, economical condition of the family, etc. was received by the MHA. Special investigation report of the convict with respect to his age, etc., along with the recommendation, was placed before the Home Minister, UOI. Vinay was never in solitary confinement. Vinay was regularly checked. There is jail psychiatrist. This is a regular checkup. All prisoners are checked. As per his latest medical record, he is medically fit. Given the limited scope of judicial review, there is no cause for interference. Following the arguments, the Supreme Court reserved order in Vinay's challenge to the rejection of mercy petition and said that the order will be pronounced at 2 p.m. tomorrow. The Supreme Court on Thursday also appointed advocate Anjana Prakash as amicus curiae for convict Pawan Gupta, who had earlier claimed that he did not have a lawyer to assist him. Pawan is the only one among the four convicts who has not yet filed a curative petition, the last legal remedy available to a person which is decided in chamber. He also has the option of filing a mercy plea. Earlier today, the Additional Sessions Court posted the matter of hearing of applications by Tihar Jail Superintendent and Nirbhaya's parents seeking date for execution of death warrant to February 17th. With each passing date remains to be seen how long will the legal procedures continue, and even after 7 years, the victim's parents continue to wait for justice for their daughter who was brutally raped and died fighting for life. A News 9 report.